Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up, but I still try. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I get so fed up, yeah. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. Why do I feel like a letdown? On the edge, I don't wanna get down. been on this road one time way back when I chose J Mac over Les Brown. So close to calling it quits. Look at all the dumb stuff that I did. Said I wouldn't be just like my dad, but I went ghost on 2 of my kids. No cap, just might pop 10 more of these pros. So hard to forget, I don't really wanna go back. I really need a fresh start, could really use a mulligan. I've been in rehab, I don't really wanna relapse. Yikes, that ain't right, but that's alright. I'm out at night, in my head, off my meds, and I'm feeling sad. I don't know why. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up, but I still try. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I ain't right, but that's alright. Off my meds, out at night, all that time, can't get back, feeling sad. I don't know why, I ain't gon' lie. You ain't no good, but come on by, come on slide. Still can't feel, lost my bro, still don't cry. I don't know why. 25 letters on my dresser. Why do I feel like a mess up? Everybody see me out here walking with the Lord, but I still wanna dance with the devil, yeah. Why show love to Becky, but I friends on Quintessa? Every single woman deserves to be loved. A gift like that's so special. But we treat a dark-skinned girl like precious, and a red-bone girl so extra. All I gotta say is be careful, cause the media is really out to get you. Yikes, that ain't right, but that's all.